I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by acting fast. Open Excel and go to File, Open, then Recover Unsaved Workbooks. This catches crashes and unsaved changes. Next, make sure to check the recycle bin, and if you use OneDrive, its online recycle bin, deleted files can sit there for days. Finally, use File Explorer and search for XLSX or asterisk. XLS while filtering by modified date to spot an auto-saved copy. These steps work because Excel and Windows keep temporary and versioned files that outlive accidental deletions. Once you confirm the sheet is missing, dive into backups and versioning. If the workbook lived on OneDrive or SharePoint, open version history and restore an earlier copy. That recovers edits without overriding current files. If you use Windows File History or System Restore, right-click the containing folder, choose Properties, then Previous Versions. Also, open the Auto Recover folder at %localappdata% Microsoft /Office /unsaved files to find temp file. If simpler methods fail, escalate to Advanced Recovery. Run reputable undelete utilities or restore from image backups. They scan disk sectors for previous file entries. When you recover anything, export it to a new workbook right away. Do not reopen the original path until verified. And a final troubleshooting tip. Stop saving or installing anything on that drive. Continued writes reduce the chance of recovery because deleted file data can be overwritten. Acting quickly preserves recoverable data and improves success rates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.